Yikes. Okay, so I might just have to put this up over the top here and see if I can just push this down any further without damaging this. Yeah. Jeez. This would be so much easier with a small pair of pliers. Because you got these tabs right in here that kind of prevents you from reaching at it. Yeah. And it's kind of almost there. I guess I'm just going to have to go with it for now. And then see what I can do about it later. Alright, so next we need parts E1, 15, and 16. Okay, so this is part 1 right here. And 15 and 16. Okay, so right here. And there we go, there's a ball joint right there. And okay. Here. And then this ball joint right here. Oop. Did I just do all that off camera again? I'm sorry. I didn't happen to notice that. Alright, so I'm just cleaning them off, and that's probably going to be as good as I can even get that ball joint to look. Okay, there's that. And there. Okay. Okay. Alright, so this goes back here like this. Well, that's a little bit better. I got something flat to actually push onto. Maybe when, if like either the front or the back side, whichever this happens to end up being, goes on, I'll actually have something flat that I can actually push on this easier. Okay, so oh, dang it. Okay. Okay, so these were actually supposed to go up in here first. Okay. Alright. Okay, so this is obviously got to be the front, because this is going to be his crotch plate. Alright. There we go. Yeah. So these are should be for his legs right down here. Where the rest of like the waist or whatever ends up popping onto. Alright, so the back is actually coming next. So E4, E17, E18. Or maybe that's the back? I don't know, we'll see. We'll see which ends up being which. Okay, so it said E4. E4. Alright, well that actually kind of looks more like a butt plate. Okay, so there we go, and then 17 or 18 are down here. The ones I might have accidentally cut off originally, or was thinking about it. then I had actually looked at the number again. So, alright, so there we got that. Alrighty. It's coming along okay. To be completely honest, it's coming along. But I mean, there's still a possibility that I might have to end up putting this into 2 separate videos, because there's quite a number of steps involved with this. So there's 69 steps to this. Actually, I'm sorry, 72. 72 steps to this. Yeah, 72 steps. So, I might actually stop after step 36, and right now we're up to 17. So, we'll see how this ends up going. Alright, and guess maybe we put this into here first. Like that. Oh, this thing's a little backwards because this is down. So, that. Huh. Okay, showing it like that, and then they go on here. Okay, like that. Okay. So basically, if you put them in, you have to put them in so that way they're flat down, and then flip them down like that before you put it on here like this. Alright. And it's got this little post that goes in here at the top. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay. So it's got a small post and a peg that I've got to go in. Alright, so I should be able to flip these plates up so that way I can try and see if I can get this down any further. Dang it. Okay. No, it doesn't want to go down any further. Okay. Okay. I tried. But if it doesn't want to do it, you can't really force it to do it. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so now I need E1415 and okay, so S must be sticker. Yeah, okay. Okay, so E14 and 15. Sorry, 13 and 14. Right now we're on step 18 right now, so it's going to be pretty lengthy if I actually do the entire thing. So I mean, that could possibly end up being, you know, like 2 hours, and I definitely do not want to put up a 2-hour video of you guys watching me just, you know, like build something. So, okay, so D18. That's D2. Okay, so D18. Okay. So one of these pieces right here. Alright. So we got that. Alright. And okay. And then it says to put on S19 and 20. So stickers 19 and 20. So right here. And I don't have any tweezers up here with me, so I'm just going to have to end up doing this by eye. So just try to match it up with the images underneath the plastic right here. And it's really hard without the tweezers. Okay. So I'm definitely going to have to make sure that I have a pair of tweezers up here with me. If indeed, well, I shouldn't say if indeed, but definitely when I do the second half of this build. Because I definitely do have to do a second half because, you know, obviously you guys know that I don't do any photo editing. But here we go. Looks kind of cool with the chrome sticker. Alright, oh. Okay, apparently I need 2 of these D8s. Okay, so I didn't happen to see that. So I actually kind of thought maybe like one, like it went all onto the same piece here. Okay, so I guess I'll have to, well, just get this one cleaned up really fast. Okay, that should be okay. And then these just plug in. That. Come on. Plug in, there we go. Oh, they turn really easily. Okay, so trying to get it straight with the sticker. Come on. There we go. That one seemed to have actually lined up better than the other side did right there. That should be okay. Alright, and step 19 is to clip these right into here. So clip those right in there. Right in there. Okay. So far, so good. Alright. Step 20, I need E19, E11. Okay, so we'll get E11 first. Okay, so E11, E19, which is this piece right here. Right there. Okay, and then C28. C28? This is C1. Where's C2? Because I think these are A's. No, those are B's. And these are F's. A's. sorry, F is over there. D1, D2, C2. Okay, so C2 is basically the same color as the other D colors here. Okay, so C2, 8. C2, 8. Oh, wow, that's a small little piece, huh? Jeepers. And that's connected in 2 places right there. Okay. Right, there we go. Don't make it easy, do they? At least some of the times they don't make it easy. Alright. Okay, for that. And okay. Blink right there. And blink right there. And then we'll get this one's good as we can. Right there. Yeah, that's okay. And yeah, that's gonna have to be okay. And that right there. Okay, so holding piece like this and piece like this. Let's see if I'm looking at this picture right. Yeah, okay. So sorry, I just had to do that because this one they were kind of showing it like on an angle in the picture. So this goes right up over this spot right here. Pushing it in all the way, and then this just goes down in the spot right down in here. Alright, and that gets pushed down in there. And then he needs C1, 2. C1, 2, which is this piece right here. Alrighty. Alright. Okay, and it does say to push it together, so we'll just go ahead and push it together. Oh. Wait a minute, it told me to get... Oh, I was looking at the wrong picture. Okay, I needed C1, 1. Okay, yeah, that's my fault. Because they, if you happen to notice here, these are like basically all the same images, just inverted, and I just happened to look down instead of, you know, in the spot that I needed to. And, you know, it happens to everybody, especially when it's all just right there. I'm sure plenty of people have actually done that. So, well, at least it's cut out for next steps anyway, so. Alright, push that in. Okay. Cool, coming right along. Okay. And then D16. D16. Okay, so D1, so this piece right down in here. Alright. And this is the only piece we have to add for step 22. See, and this is a much harder plastic, so, than some of the other stuff. So, alright. Yeah, this is, wait a minute, did I just... Oh, I might have just... Okay, okay, never mind. Okay, I ended up cutting something off the wrong sprue there. So I was trying to figure out why the heck it didn't... Okay, so, some of the softer plastic, okay. I was trying to figure out why it wasn't matching up with the picture, and then I had to look at the sprue again, and ended up realizing it was because I cut it off the wrong sprue. See? See what happens? Okay, and that one just popped right off because it is a softer plastic. Okay. Alright, so then this goes up over the top of this. Yeah. Yep, that is what it's showing. Okay, and that just popped right on. Alright. Alright, and I need B16. B16. And that was that's A2. So that must be A3. And then B. Okay, so we got B. Okay, so B16. Okay, so B16 we're finally starting to use from the B sprue. Alrighty. Alright, so there's B16 and B2. B2, B2, B2. Bingo! Alright, okay, so do the same thing, which that one isn't actually too bad. But I'll do it anyway. Just because I wanna minimize how much of the flash molding I'll be taking off with the scalpel later on. Okay, so this. Okay, so this goes up here like that, and then this piece goes over here